Hello and welcome back. So in this session we are going to learn about the harness system of the electric vehicle. Harness system is basically the nervous system of electric vehicle. So here we are going to learn about contactor, battery, MCU and motor, how they are going to work with synchronized position. So battery from the 72 voltage from the battery is transferred to the 72 volt of contactor. Now what is contactor? Contactor is basically the fuse. Contactor is basically the fuse of motor, MCU and motor. Now, if the voltage is above 72 volt, like if the battery is giving 73 volt, the contactor will reduce the 1 voltage and give the 72 volt to the further thing. 72 volt will transfer to MCU. Okay, MCU is our motor control unit. The 72 volt will be transferred to the MCU and the MCU will run the motor according to the passenger's performance. And the second cable from 72 volt is transferred to DC to DC converter. Now what does DC to DC converter do over here? DC to DC converter converts the 72 volt into 12 volt. Now why do we require 12 volt? 12 volt is required for the small components of electric vehicles. Like there are many sensors in electric vehicles, those who requires 12 volt. Like we have very microcontrollers, very small fuse, relay circuits, which requires 12 voltage. So the auxiliary battery stores this 12 volt and then transfer it into small components of electric vehicle. Now, whenever there is a breakage in this system, the electric vehicle scanner sends the breakage in the wires where the wire is breakage. Like if the connection is break over here, the EV will sense this by a scanner, real-time scanner, and will show you that there's an error from battery to contactor. Thank you. So this 72 volt is getting into DC to DC converter and it's converting into 12 volt. Now the auxiliary battery also charges the VCU of the vehicle, that is vehicle control unit. Now VCU have many operations to do, like headlight operations, our wipers, music systems, and other small components of the car. Thank you.